Hi Apple lovers and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you probably bought an iMac thinking it would become the go-to family computer, only to realise months later that it's basically just sitting there and you're turning it on to do your monthly updates. And that's exactly what happened in our house. So in this Apple guide, I'm going to talk you through my top 5 reasons why I switched our family M1 iMac setup to a 4K monitor with a Thunderbolt and HDMI for better versatility and productivity, and why honestly it's been one of the smartest tech changes we've made as a family. So let's get into it and let's start the episode. Okay, so the last time you saw this desk on video, I was reviewing the iMac 24-inch M1, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 SSD, which is a great machine. No regrets in buying it. But it was a couple of years ago, and like I said, I was using it to do the monthly updates. Felicity used it now and again. Nobody else used it. So it led me to actually what kickstarted it, I replaced this monitor, which was on my setup, with my new Dell monitor. By the way, all the links to any videos that I cross-reference are below, especially check out that iMac one. I'm still backing that as a device. So I was selling this monitor, and I was thinking, it's a good monitor. I don't want to get rid of it. And then I kept on looking at the iMac. Oh, that's just sat there. It's really not being used. What if I switched it? And really, that's what led to it. So now, due to this one cable, another cable as well, but really this cable, it's made it so versatile, it's ridiculous. And like I said, I was really surprised, and as much as I really wanted the kids to use the computer, their computer is their iPad, plain and simple. And now, due to the multitasking, the external monitor support, this is all they needed for that. Plus a few more accessories on the way, which I'll talk about. So let's talk about the monitor, and I have done a review of that, so check that out as well. So it is the BenQ MA320U, a 32-inch 4K Ultra HD IPS monitor. Now, instead of having a fixed all-in-one like the iMac M1 24-inch, this gives us Thunderbolt, HDMI, USB ports, expandability, and most importantly, flexibility for everyone in the house. And that's really what this video is all about, turning what was essentially a single user device into a shared productivity hub for the whole family. And kind of me as well, setting up this video. This is hooked up to my MacBook. I've now got 4 monitor MacBook. That's insane. So let's get into it and let's talk about my top 5 reasons why this setup works better for us. Reason number 1, versatility for the kids. So as much as I tried to get the kids to grips with the iMac, I found myself only turning it on to do the monthly updates. It was completely wasted. Thomas uses an M1 iPad Air. Felicity uses an 11-inch M1 iPad Pro. And now, thanks to multitasking and proper external display support on iPadOS, the iPad essentially becomes their computer. Thomas still mirrors his screen for watching YouTube, so he's not got to grips with the external stuff yet. However, he's still using it. But Felicity actually uses it like a Mac with Stage Manager and multitasking. So instead of forcing them onto macOS, the monitor now adapts to how they already work and the devices they already use. Work from home flexibility is reason 2. So my wife can now connect her M2 MacBook Air directly to the setup. So instantly, she'll get a 32-inch 4K display, a proper desk setup, and a comfortable work from home environment, without needing her own dedicated workstation. One cable and she's up and running. Reason number 3, webcam support for calls. So because the monitor has USB ports built in at the back, we've added a webcam to the setup. So now the kids can FaceTime using their iPads because through the monitor, it just works in iPadOS, or we can use it for Microsoft Teams calls for work. So the webcam we chose is this Ugreen Full HD 1080p 30 frames per second, nothing fancy, just a budget option that's absolutely fine for video calls and for the use cases. Leads us nicely to reason number 4, multi-device mouse and keyboard. So we also added the Pebble Mouse 2 and the Pebble Keys 2 as well. Great devices, by the way, I love them. And both of these support multi-device connectivity for up to 3 devices. So At the push of a button, user 1 is Thomas, user 2 is Felicity, and user 3 is Claire, my wife. And they can just click their user number and instant connection to whatever device they're using. No repairing, no pick cables, no hassle. Again, Thomas hasn't got to grips yet, but it's essential with using that MacBook Air and for Felicity using the iPadOS as well, just like a Mac. And reason number 5, future expandability. And this is probably the biggest one for me. If the kids want macOS in the future, we've now got the option to simply add something like a Mac Mini to the mix. Or because the monitor is close enough to my PC, so I've got a PC that we use occasionally down here, I can connect that too, meaning they can use a full desktop setup if they need it. Again, we can sync the mouse and the keyboard to it as well. So instead of locking ourselves into a machine like the iMac, this setup grows with us. Now, all of these things were achievable on macOS. We could have used AirPlay for the devices, but I don't think the multitasking works correctly. We could use a HDMI capture card as well and plug stuff in that way. But really, you still need to load up, whereas actually this is just plug and play, which is an amazing. And it's also given me options. I've had a play this weekend. Like I said, I've added it to my MacBook. So right now, because of my Thunderbolt dock, I've now, including the laptop, got 4 monitors on the go. That's insane. I've also got a Mega Drive Mini I haven't used for years. I can just plug that in as well. And a Pandora arcade box, which I play now and again. It's just been sat there for years because I had no monitor to plug it into. Right here. So that's versatile, and that's versatility if I've ever heard it. So to sum it all up, switching from the family iMac to a 4K Thunderbolt and HDMI monitor has given us better flexibility, proper multi-use support, work from home capability, FaceTime and Teams support, multi-device peripherals, and future expandability. Nothing that the iMac could have done for us. So turning one fixed computer into a shared digital workspace. So if you're finding that your family iMac just isn't getting used anymore, this might be a change worth considering. So thanks for watching this Apple guide, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Apple content, reviews and family tech setup. Again, I'll put the link to my original family setup video below and anything else I've mentioned today. So let me know in the comments, does that sound like a setup that will work for you, and do you already have something similar set up to this? And as always, please be kind with those comments. Please follow me on Instagram and Threads at TechHubWiltsUK, and check out my website at www.techhubwiltsuk.co.uk, and I'll see you in the next one.